Hello, this is Jean-Marc from MilliBox, and today we are looking at our latest demonstration. So that demo is a D-Band 3D radiation pattern over the air. It's the collaboration between four companies, Eravant, Maury Microwave, Copper Mountain Technologies, and MilliBox. So we come together with that demonstration. I'm going to explain you the different parts and pieces into that demonstration. We have the MBX02 mmWave anechoic chamber that you've seen before, and the Gimbal 4 3D positioner that we use in many demonstrations earlier. What you can see here is the Eravant frequency extender transmitter for D-Band with a WR6 20 dBi horn. So D-Band is the band from 110 gigahertz to 170 gigahertz, which is actively investigated for 6G and other sub-terahertz applications. So the coax that you can see here are provided by Maury Microwave, and what they do is that they have that series called Stability Plus, low profile, which one, flexible and very stable in phase while in torsion. So that's exactly what we needed for this for the purpose of this demonstration. On the other side, we have the RX frequency extender from Eravant and those coax again. And here we have the contribution from Copper Mountain with the Cobalt series C4220, which is a 20 gigahertz two-port VNA, USB VNA, for which they are famous. We have the transmitter here, which is going to do a 3D motion while we do the capture on this side with the receiver, and we're going to measure the radiation pattern of this WR6 20 dBi horn. So now we are starting our sweep. We set up for minus 60 to plus 60 degree in azimuth as well as in elevation, and we have steps of 5 degree. So at every step we are doing a full trace capture from the VNA from 110 gigahertz to 170 gigahertz. We're capturing that trace and we are displaying it in real time at 120 gigahertz. So let's look at it from the capture standpoint. So as you can see, the sweep has already progressed, and we have a few slices already captured, and we'll see how the capture is progressing along the way. So as you can see here, we completed the capture of the radiation pattern as we predicted, and then when we close that radiation pattern, the heat map, then we do a rendering in 3D, and we see that we have a perfect capture of that horn antenna, right? So in a real condition, of course, this would be your own phase array in D-Band that you would attach to the Eravant frequency extender transmitter, and you will have your own radiation pattern for your phase array at those kind of frequencies. So what I like about that demo is that that's probably, I mean, as far as I know, that's the only time I've seen a 3D radiation pattern in D-band over the air in a full setup. Full setup means the enclosure, the positioner, the extenders, the VNA, and the wiring in between. So that's very encouraging. That gives you a vision of what a setup in sub-terahertz domain would look like. And that's really what I enjoyed about putting together this demo. And it will be presented live at IMS in our booth 1914, also in Eravant's booth on the floor. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.